I just, I can't believe it. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. I received a huge package from one of my favorite authors and I'm going to be unboxing it in this video. So if you don't know already, Lana Sky is one of my favorite authors and she's a freaking gem. She writes dark romance, paranormal romance, mafia, and secret society, and a bunch of other amazing genres. I've been reading her work for about a year and I discovered her through a mutual author. The first book I read by Lana was the Black Mountain Pact duet series, so there was Shift and Howl, and I fell in love with her work. After reading the Shift, Howl, the Black Mountain Pact duet series, I started emailing Charity and requesting more of Lana's arcs, and after arc reading for a few months, I became her beta reader, and now I'm her alpha reader, and I am just forever grateful and blessed for this opportunity. And I am so lucky to have found Lana and Charity because they are some of the coolest people in this world of books and online madness. Enough of that, let's open this up. Oh, okay, oh, look at all those clothes. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try these on in a minute. Let's go through the books first. What the heck? Okay, hold on. Let's start with this. These are two little bags and you can put your jewelry in them. So this is LG for Lydia Goodfellow, who is another author that I met through Lana Sky and Charity. I love Lydia's work. His to Keep by Lydia Goodfellow. Read it, it is so good. But check trigger warnings before you do because it is dark. This one, it's LS for Lana Sky, and you just, oh, that was funny. But like, yeah, you just pull together the bag like that. Ooh, very cute. Bookmarks. Oh my god. Okay, we'll do my custom bookmarks first. So Charity was like, hey, do you want a custom bookmark? And I was like, sure. I sent her, or she sent me pictures, and I was like, let's do it. This is one of them. I went for like a poker type of theme because it gave me Days vibes from Sinners and Saints for some reason. But it also gave me my dad vibes because like my dad loves to play cards. We always play games in this house. We used to have like family movie night and family game night. And then for another custom bookmark, this one is dedicated to my cat and also my mom because she loves cats. There's this fabric. I really love the colors of the beads. So I have a cat here. Oh, it also reminds me of Jaguar from one of Lana's books. That's my other inspiration too. And then on the side there's a little paw print and a heart for my kitty. And I really love the colors. Blue and purple are some of my favorite colors. Two more bookmarks. These are cool. These are for the Sinners and Saints series. So again, it's that really nice fabric. I really love the colors of the beads. There's the book cover, which I think is really cool. So those were bookmarks. These are keychains. Oh my god, these are so cool. It's for the whole series. So I'm missing one bookmark now, which would be the final book in the series. But here are a few keychains. I see an earring. It looks like an earring. I think you just put it on your ear, not in your ear, pierced part. But let me see. Whoa, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, hold on. How does that work? I'm not a beauty person. Oh, no. Ah, oh. Can you tell? Oh my god, what if it's not for your ear? And then Charity messages me and she's like, Jess, what are you doing? You're not supposed to put that on your ear. Does it say to put it on your ear? No, it doesn't say it. But I feel like you're supposed to put it on your ear like that. Or is it supposed to go like behind your ear? Like this? So it's like that? Bro, I don't know. I don't know, but thank you. I don't think it's a bookmark. Or is it for your hair? Like a clip. I have no idea. Don't make fun of me in the comments, please. I'm trying my best. This is pretty cool. This is a snake. This looks like an earring to me because there's the pointy part and then there's the backing. If it focuses, that's like, do you see the pointy part here? And then here's the backing for it. Wouldn't it just go in like this and then it's like in? Like, okay guys, do you clean your jewelry before you put it on? Or do you just put it on? I feel like we're supposed to clean our jewelry, but I don't. I just put it on, which I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for this, but ow, I don't know, man. Are my ears clogged, by the way? I don't know. I feel like this will not end well, but it's okay. Hello? You know, it's not like fully in. Oh my god, is that what it's supposed to be? That's wild, bro. You're telling me if you wore like a black dress, like, or yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, please don't be stuck. Oh, there we go. What? Charity, you got me some very interesting things. I'm having a great time unboxing this. Oh my gosh. And then there's a dragon ring and a owl ring. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I think it's too big for my finger right now, so I can probably adjust it, but let me show you what it looks like. Look at that! That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then this one is a dragon ring. I feel like my sister will like this. Which, funny story, I'll tell you when I get to the clothing part. Yeah, baby. Yo, that looks so... Oh, sorry, that's my middle finger. Hold on. Look at that, that's so pretty. Look at that, that's so pretty. So many cool items, I love it. Oh my gosh. This is a dice of all her books. Oh, I'll show you this one right here. Sorry, I don't know why I like threw the dice at you, but Shift. That was one of the first books I read by Lana. Coasters. These coasters are so dope. They're for each of the books for the Sinners and Saints series. So there's Sinners and Saints, Rogue Angel, and Wild Devil. Ooh, and then like there's the back. I will never get over these titles and the covers. Like, I love the cover. This skull, bro, it's so cool. I love it. And then I love the reds, and I love the texture of the book. The texture. Look at me. Am I good at describing stuff? Not really. Anyways, I think Charity understands how stressed I get, so she sent me a bunch of stress balls. Oh my gosh. She sent me like, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She sent me 11 stress balls. Bruh. And they're different sizes and different colors. Bruh. Thank you for the stress balls. So these books right here. Mice and Men box set 1 and Mice and Men box set 2. Here's box set 1 and here's box set 2. It says Jessica and Lana Sky. And then this one also says Jessica and Lana Sky. How cool! Sinners and Saints book 1 and Rogue Angel book 2. And Confessions, a Club XXX Maxim novella. This was my first time beta and alpha reading, or not my first time beta, but my first time alpha reading for Lana Sky. Alpha reading by Jessica Rita Rampersad. It's at the bottom there. Ah, oh my gosh. It's so crazy to see my name in the book. Whether it's the acknowledgements, the copyright, bro. Like, that's at the front of the book. Oh my gosh. It's in the fine print. Jessica, thank you so much for all your help as our alpha reader. Lana Sky. Oh, that means so much to me. Oh my gosh. I was a beta and an ARC reader for Sinners and Saints by Lana Sky. Yeah, I had a great time with this book. Honestly, I'm very excited for the rest of the series. And by the rest of the series, I mean I'm excited for the 3rd book because I've already read the 2nd book. Jessica, thank you for all you do, Lana Sky. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I love it. For the 2nd book in Sinners and Saints, this is Rogue Angel by Lana Sky. And I alpha, beta, and ARC read for this book. Alpha reading by Jessica Rita Rampersad. Jessica, thank you for being a part of our inner circle and team. Lana Sky. Oh my gosh. This book. This changed everything for me. Oh my gosh. In the best way possible. Those are all the books. Let's go over all the clothing. Let me start off with this one. Okay. Oh my gosh. Lana Sky's alpha reader. That's me, guys. Also, on the side, it says Rampersad. Rampersad. That's my last name. I love my last name. Okay, boys. Lana Sky's Alpha Reader. I love the book and I love the hearts. And then here it says Rampersad. How cool! Oh my god, I love it. So this shirt, it says, if my awesome is too much for you, F off. And it has the middle fingers. This is like my gym shirt vibes. There's a deep meaning to this one because of everything that's happening in the world right now with my life and social media and books. Anyways, so that's that. I think I would wear it up like this, just like loosely like that. Charity, if you're watching, you're gonna be either upset or flattered. I showed my sister this and Jen was like, oh, I want it. And I was like, you can have it if you want. I swear, Charity, if you're watching, or when I tell you, you're probably gonna be like, Jess, don't you dare give her that shirt. It is for you and you only. And to that I say, next shirt, this shirt. Okay, so this line from Rogue Angel is one of my favorite lines in the entire book. It is so funny. The way I read it the first time, it stuck with me, and every single time I reread the line, I imagined the scene in my head and I laughed every single time because it is just so funny. It's just something that is so me. Like if I was Days, like this would happen to me and Jen would be Damien. So this is the shirt. Is that the front? Yeah, so the front. This is the saying. This is the quote. And it says, Days, you dumb mother effer, over here. In the scene, I'm trying not to spoil it, but basically Days was walking and then he heard like a whistle or something. He heard noise, but then he kept walking. And then Damien was like, yo, I'm over here, come here. And so Days went over. And I just found that hilarious. And just in my head when I was reading it, it was like a full movie scene moment. Like I would want to see that on the big screen. If any moment from Rogue Angel made it onto the big screen, that would be a must-see for me. And then on the back, there is the Sinners and Saints logo. There's Lana Sky and then Sinners and Saints series. I really like the glitter. I think it's super unique. And I love the red and the white combination of like the Days and then the like over here and that there. I love it. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Days, you dumb mother effer, over here. Oh my god. And then the back. I really hope you can see that because I'm totally guessing right now. Anyways, I love the shirt so much. Oh my gosh. I love it. I received these joggers, these sweatpants, author Lana Sky. And again, it's that glittery font, or not glittery font, but glittery text style here. So, can you see them? Oh, you probably can't see them, eh? Hold on. It was funny because when I first put them on, I thought the pockets were on backwards, but I realized you're supposed to like shift the pockets so that they're in front. But that's what it looks like. Oh, I have a mirror outside. I gotta show you. Filming with Jess. I have to be quiet because Jen's on a call. That's what it looks like. Sorry. Jen's currently on a call, so that's like my only time to be able to film without her getting in the way. This hoodie. I'm a sucker for hoodies. As you can tell, I always wear this hoodie. Joe Sugg. I really wish I bought another one because this one's getting really old. But this hoodie says Days' Rogue Angel because we are all Days' Rogue Angel. I really love the combination of the different colors and I like the spacing. I like the angle of the text as well and the font style. So this is the hoodie. This is what it looks like. Days' Rogue Angel. That's me. I really love this hoodie and I love that there's a hidden gem. It's a heart on the sleeve. Everything that was sent were medium. So medium hoodie, medium shirts, medium pants. I think I would get a large for the hoodie because I like an oversized if I were to wear something underneath, like a t-shirt. Right now I'm not wearing a t-shirt underneath and it fits nicely, but obviously Canadian weather, I'm gonna need to wear a shirt underneath. And when I do wear a shirt underneath, it feels a bit tight on me. So I would go for a large for the hoodie Medium for the pants were good. They fit nicely. And then for the shirts, like a medium for the shirts work out well because I always do medium for shirts. Words can't explain how I'm feeling right now, and the only thing I could say is thank you, and that's not even enough. I'm just beyond grateful for this opportunity, and Lana Sky and Charity are two of the greatest people I've ever met. And I've said it before, the book world is very messy and sometimes very overwhelming, and I just appreciate having friends like Lana and Charity. Yeah, I'm not gonna get sappy, okay? We're not gonna do that right now. But at the end of the day, I'm very grateful. And I know I'm very repetitive and I sound like a broken record, but I do really love Charity and Lana. Majority of these items are available on Lana's website. If you want to go check it out, if you want to cop yourself some Lana merch, feel free to go do that. I'll link everything in the description below. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you again, Charity and Lana, for sending me this amazing package, and I cannot wait to keep reading for you guys, and I cannot wait for you to have me on board for any other beta, alpha, arc opportunities. I am there for you. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.